What's good, YouTube? As you can see, I got a fro right now. I look like Michael Jackson, but as y'all can see by the thumbnail and title, we was putting these back into this is about 32 dreadlocks. Y'all see how long they gonna be. So this is my hair. I cut it off a minute ago, but I already detangled it, blew it out, and now I'm finna have my girl party. So I'm finna show y'all what it looks like, y'all. So you know how many parts I need. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Probably got 39. I counted 38, but the other day I counted 39, so I'm finna count them again, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I just counted 38. As y'all see, they blonde.
Got shit going on.
As y'all see, they is blonde. So I'm gonna put them in with my hair black right now. Then I'm gonna do some black in the future. They not just gonna be all blonde and then like my roots black. So I'm finna get my hair parted and I'm gonna get back with you. Alright, y'all boys, as y'all can see, it's going down. She counting the parts right now.
Uy, hermano, mi visión del futuro.
She's counting the parts right now, so I don't know if she even counting them right. So I don't even know if she know how to count for real, y'all. So I just hope she counting them right, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all whenever we get them done and count it right. Alright, y'all, so parts going down. She got them written down right here on her phone. Basically, she's going straight down the middle and then going to the sides and then parting each section, so it'll make it easier to count in the long run, so we can get all dreads in there. If y'all boys still watching, man, I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Alright, update y'all. So as y'all can see, it's going down. But I'm about to start, well, she's about to finish dreading them just halfway so I can get the areas good. And then I'm gonna go in and with the crochet needles and put my hair back in. Alright, y'all can see parts done. You see, parts are in. Now what I'm about to do is get the dreads going. I don't know if I'm gonna get them all finished tonight just because it's a lot to do, but I am gonna start them. I'm gonna show y'all what I got to start them with, what I'm gonna use, and yeah, so let's go. Alright, so this one I'm using the crochet needles. This one was a 2, this one was a 3, but right now we have 1. It is a 7.5 millimeter. We have another 7.5 millimeter, a 0.75 millimeter, and another 7.5. So I'm gonna just get the dreads. I'm gonna order them from the tallest to shortest, and then I'm gonna take that and whichever part. I'm gonna take that and put the largest in the back, like the longest ones in the back. Here are all the dreads lined up. I didn't put on the shortest to tallest because I don't think it matters. I'm gonna just take a few of the smallest ones and put them along the front, like so. And then after that, I'm gonna start working towards the back with the bigger ones. So the ones that are medium, a lot of them are almost the same size. I'm just gonna put those in the middle. But I'm finna get back to y'all. Well, now start, man. Let's see how this first one go. Alright, y'all, so we got a few in. So I'm about to show y'all. So this is what we looking like right now. Hey, y'all, these are my dreads. These are mine that I cut out my head. As y'all see, we got them in there good at the moment. It's locked in. It's not going nowhere. None of them, but so I'm gonna put all of these in my head. It's getting late. It's about 11:35 right now, so I ain't gonna be doing no more tonight, but I will go back and finish them in the morning. But yeah, so it's coming out alright. I'm gonna try to get a retwist in this video as well, so y'all stay tuned for that. It probably won't be tomorrow when I put them all in, but y'all won't know how long it takes. So yeah, y'all, this how it's coming. I'm liking the blonde and the black roots at the moment, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep. If I'm gonna dye them again, which I might dye a lot of them black once I put them all in. I might not though, but yeah, y'all, we got. I don't know how much more we got left. But we're gonna get back to it tomorrow, y'all. In the morning.
So you open them shit so it's straight between.
As y'all boys can see, man, we working.
It goes in there.
They coming in together. Here y'all, I'm gonna show y'all.
You don't say your ass.
Look.
What's the point? Your cheeks, nigga, your cheeks. Let me see.
Feel me? So, as y'all can see,
let me see.
they in there. They're not going nowhere. They look a little rough right now though, just cause they ain't got no retwist and cause they not all in. So it's gonna look rough right now, but they coming together for sure. I'm gonna show y'all that when I'm finished. I'm finna take a break right now. I got about. I don't got too many left, as y'all can see. I just be using these. And my other one, which is right here. Ooh, my other one, which is right here. So yeah, we ain't got too many left. I'm gonna get it done today. And then I get my hair retwisted, not this week, but next week. So this video will be dropped as soon as I get my retwist. So I appreciate y'all boys and stay tuned.